guys, welcome back to day 2 of our mini vacation. We are now getting ready to go to the lake. Vlog squad is really tired. They didn't listen to go to sleep early last night. They ended up falling asleep like at 1 in the morning or 2 in the morning. So here we are. Todos traen cara de cansados, enojados, puchi. Pero miren yo, como siempre, con la sonrisa. So we have an hour to do a lot of stuff, so we probably will get back to you guys once we're on our way there or once we are there. What are we gonna have for breakfast? Whataburger, yeah. We're gonna have Whataburger for breakfast, you guys. It's the honey chicken biscuit from Whataburger that I like. You guys need to definitely try it out. It's the best thing ever. It's just the perfect combination of honey, chicken, biscuit. It's really good. So I highly recommend for you guys to go check it out. And my baby is almost getting ready. She woke up a little bit late, like always.
What are you talking about?
I'm just kidding. She did good.
Now we're gonna eat breakfast at Whataburger. I'm gonna give 10. We have a large Dr. Pepper. Another one of those. What the hell? We all blue. Mess up. I don't know. Pasito's already eating. What you got?
I don't even know.
Some chicken biscuit, honey chicken biscuit. And I got like a original biscuit with sausage. Here waiting. I got cinnamon rolls. So guys, we're here. We're here already, as you can see.
Here we can, yeah.
Woo, look at it. Let me go to the restroom.
What we doing?
We're here.
Here, Sissy.
Here.
You brought sunscreen for Maddie?
Yes. I figured this would happen. I secured the bag. Chris, you're so dumb, bro. Pick it up. Oh, okay. Wait for me. And we're back, and we got kicked out. So basically, David booked a boat that he could not drive unless he had a license, or if he was over the age of 27. 28. And so we have to find another place to go for the day and come back tomorrow so that we can ride the boat with a license. We're waiting on David and the kids to bring everything so we can set up. We found a spot that is shallow enough for Madeline to hang out in the water and also for us to get in and enjoy. They're bringing all of the chairs and our little canopy so that way the sun isn't hitting us so direct. My hat flew off and fell in the water, so it's drying right here. I hope it doesn't lose its form because it was beautiful. It fit beautifully. But we're gonna set up now, you guys.
Alright guys, so it's like what, 3 in the afternoon? So we couldn't go in the boat until tomorrow. Now we fucked up if I
What happened?
if I don't pass the
Boating test? Oh my god.
But we can cheat.
He better pass it. We had plans to be at the boat right now at this very moment.
I guess it's
happened.
my fuck up, so I'm gonna make up. I'm gonna make it up to you guys by staying another night. So.
No, but I made a lot of mistakes yesterday too with the Uber Eats and
Oh my god. So last night we got hungry like around what, 10:30, 11?
Yeah.
So we told Monica to order some small, you know, we got some hot and spices.
yeah.
We got some hot and spice and some McDoubles from McDonald's. So we didn't want to drive either because it was late. So we told Monica, hey, just order it from Uber Eats. because she already had told me that she had an $11 credit. Long story short is she didn't use them $11, and I ended up paying like $32 for something that we didn't like. They brought the wrong thing, didn't bring no salt. So yes, guys,
We had some dry ass McDonald's, to be honest. Yes, and it was my fault.
Yeah.
So I felt really bad last night. I'm like, oh, how annoying, because I didn't know how to work the Uber Eats app.
So you guys a little setup. Have a little setup right here. We're about the only ones right now. A couple of people are just getting here. They're setting up. So that's that, guys. We'll see you guys in a little bit. So we just checked in the hotel. We're gonna get it ready in 15 minutes, so we can get a little snack. We're gonna get Taco Bell, you know what it is.
Gotcha.
We're looking at the menu right now.
Daddy
guys.
said she's paying for our meal.
Damn.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, give me a minute. Let me look through this menu.
Let me know when you're ready. Hey guys, welcome back. It's another day. We're headed downtown to go kayaking to Lady of the Lake because we ended up doing the test yesterday and did not realize that it was going to take 5 to 7 days to get the certificate for the boating license, and thinking we were going to be able to go to the boat today, but it just didn't happen again, and that's fine. Maybe it was just not meant to be, but we wanted to make up for the day and take the kids kayaking. They're still here. Say hi.
One, day 3, Vlog Squad. Day 1 was Vlog Squad.
Yeah.
Day 3, Vlog Squad. And me, you guys, I'm sorry, I'm wearing the same shirt and the same hat, same glasses, same outfit from yesterday, but hey, I didn't even do nothing with it, you know. I was shirtless half of the time, and I really like this shirt, so I don't know, you guys gonna see me in it today, so whatever.
We tried our best doing the test, but no, it didn't end up working out. So David told me, like, we might as well just go, like, just leave it, come back another day with like full plans of riding the boat. And I figured maybe like for mine and Dani's birthday, since they're a day apart in July, we could come back that day. Her birthday's on the 10th and mine is on the 11th, so we could just come back and celebrate and then bring David's friends and family. I threw up a top knot bun and failed to realize that I needed to wear my hat.
No, to the beach.
Yeah, to the beach, baby. Not to the beach, to the lake.
To the lake.
I put on a top knot and then I forgot that I could not wear my hat with my top knot bun on, so I'm gonna be in the sun all day long today. We're gonna be riding the scooters, right?
Kayaking.
Oh, kayaking? Well, we'll see. We'll see what the day brings us, but it's either gonna be kayaking or riding a scooter, but for sure we're gonna be having some kind of adventure before we head back home.
Alright, I don't know why, but why do girls take so long in the restroom? Oh, by the way, nice hat, bro.
Thank you.
Hey, look.
I got it.
That's what it looks like. Come on, Sissy Poots. We gotta put our life jackets on and we should be ready. Come on, let's go get our paddles in the life jackets.
Come on, Papas.
Come on, Papas.
How you guys doing?
Good.
Good. Looking for some doubles?
Yes.
Get them out and then I'll get you on the dock.
Okay.
Alright, so I'd recommend you hopping in the back here just because it's a little bit bigger.
Okay.
Alright.
I got you, baby. I got you. I'm about to pedal right now. Hey, that looks pretty cool.
Hey, Sissy.
He's looking at the shadow.
Oh my God, look at that.
But he's putting his feet on the water.
He's posing, huh?
He's posing, yeah.
He's looking like a
Show off,
picture.
turtle.
Bye
Is there
bye,
more on the floor?
Jenny.
Look at the view, guys. I'm still trying to figure out how I did it the last time. I think David did most of the work the last time we came, which was years ago. Alright guys, so we're leaving now. We're walking towards the truck. There's another one over here. We are having In-N-Out.
There he is.
I was able to get the kids to agree on In-N-Out, and then David finally decided, okay, it's fine, we can have In-N-Out. So we're gonna get In-N-Out to eat and then head to Houston now.
Damn, I'm just burnt.
Maddie is hungry and angry right now, so we're gonna get her settled down and then hit the road. Hey guys, so update, it is 7:30. We are heading home now after dropping off the kids
And picking up our kid.
and picking up
Teddy.
Teddy.
Namaste. Besito, besito, besito to papa, besito.
As I had already mentioned, okay, the lighting is gonna go in and out because we're by our 18-wheeler. But as I mentioned through this vlog, obviously things didn't go completely as planned. But either way, we still had a lot of fun and we enjoyed ourselves so much, regardless of things not going the way we wanted them to. You know, like it's something that we just like had to let go of, and you know, things happen for a reason. So maybe it just wasn't our days to get on the boat. And next time we go, we will have a much more organized mini trip, and then you know, maybe that one won't work out, but at least maybe we'll get to ride the boat.
Main thing of this, of it all, is to have fun, make memories with your loved ones, you know, because like our brother, my sister and her brother, they're about in that age where they're about to be with their
friends.
boyfriends, their friends, their girlfriends, whatever. So this is why I like taking them out, to be honest, because I know later on they're gonna want to go out with their friends, you know. But we're gonna have the memories of us going with them.
Doing that together. Yeah, I agree. And then also, hopefully, if they do remember us, we can still continue to have trips together. But
Yeah, but
regardless,
if you guys invite us with your friends, then you guys are real. Vlog Squad.
I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. If you are new here, hello, my name is Monica, and we are the Gran family, and we post weekly, or at least try to, yes. But thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications to be notified every single time we post a new video. And when you do turn on your post notifications, don't forget to personalize them to receive all of them. That way you don't miss out on any of our content. But until next time, you guys, bye.
Say
Say
bye,
bye.
baby.
Oh my god.
Bye.
Say bye.
Teddy, ¿qué estás haciendo, cabrón?